In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WordPress with Nexcess Hosting from start to finish. Let's jump right in, beginning with navigating to the Nexcess website. First things first, you'll want to head over to the sign up or login page. You'll find it's pretty straightforward. If you already have an account, log in with your details. Otherwise, you can sign up and create a new account. It's quick and ensures you're ready to choose your hosting options. Once you're logged in, make your way to nexcess.net. This is where you'll see the range of hosting services they offer. What you're looking for is their hosting packages, so go ahead and click on Choose Hosting Plan. Here, you'll see different options. Nexcess has a variety of plans tailored to fit varying needs and budgets, so take a minute to choose the one that's best for your WordPress site. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Managed WordPress hosting. Choose your preferred plan, proceed to the payment page, and complete your purchase. Now that your hosting plan is all set up, it's time to create a new WordPress site. Return to your account dashboard and select Create a new WordPress site. You'll usually find this under a section that reads Go to Sites. Clicking on it will lead you to options for creating new sites where you'll want to choose WordPress. This step is crucial as it triggers the installation setup. Here's where you get to personalize things a bit. Enter your new site name and domain. Remember, this can be changed later, but it's always a good idea to start with something memorable and relevant to your business or blog. After entering these details, go ahead and click Create Site. Now that your WordPress site is created, the next step is accessing the WordPress admin area. You can do this by selecting Access WordPress Admin, which will guide you directly to your admin URL, typically looking something like yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Use the provided username and password to log in for the first time. To ensure your site is secure, it's important to install SSL. Back in your Nexcess dashboard, navigate to the SSL section. Here you'll find an option to enable a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Click to activate it, ensuring all data passing to and from your site is encrypted. Moving forward, ensure your domain is adequately pointed to Nexcess. You'll need to update your domain's A record to correspond to your Nexcess server IP. This step does require patience, as DNS propagation might take anywhere from 1 to 24 hours, but once that's done, you're all set to begin customizing your site. Lastly, dive into the fun part of starting to personalize your website. Begin by installing your chosen themes and plugins and importing any content you might have. Don't forget about optimizing your site, configure permalinks, and install SEO and caching plugins to keep everything